I'm super excited to have Manya come up. So when did we first meet? When you were on the student board? Probably for SheTech 5-6 years ago. So Manya came through the SheTech program. She was on our student board. Now she's working as an intern at Domo, and we asked her to share that story of going from SheTech to becoming an intern. Woo!
Hello, everyone. So as Sid mentioned, when I was a sophomore in high school, I found out about SheTech and did the SheTech internship program. And that was one of my first ever experiences with tech. It was the first time I got to see women in tech, and just the coolest women ever. And just going through that program, that experience, was a really valuable and pivotal moment in my life because it made me realize I want to be in tech. There's nowhere else I want to be. I want to be in tech, no matter what. And it got me really excited to work in tech, and I was almost just impatient to get in. So went through high school. I'm in my senior year, getting ready to graduate, and something crazy happens. The pandemic hits. Everything goes online. School is online. My graduation went online. Not happy about that. The first 2 semesters of college went online, and me being the extrovert, hands-on person, I wasn't able to get the experiences that I was looking for. I was really struggling. I was really struggling just to learn, and with that drive in me to work in tech, be in tech, learn about tech, I just wasn't getting it. So I decided, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just try for every opportunity I can. Just scour LinkedIn, find everything, apply for everything, because one of the great things that happened in the pandemic, I think, is that I could do school online, but I could also work online. So I decided I'm just gonna do both. And with the mentorship and guidance of my parents and family, I was able to land my first role at Lucid. And that was my first ever experience in tech. It was all online, but it made me realize that I could do it. I could do school, I could work, I could intern, and I just loved it. I loved being a part of it. I also found that I had a knack for analytics and was able to jump to OC Tanner and work as an analytics intern. I see some of my OC Tanner friends here. Work as an analytics intern for the sales team. And with that drive for analytics, I got to learn all about Excel, all the crazy things Excel has, Salesforce. Let me tell you, being in college and learning about Salesforce, that was a lot. And I learned about data visualizations as well, and that's how I found out about Domo. So again, scoured the internet, learned everything I could about analytics, visualizations, and landed a role at Domo. Started on the CSM side and later jumped to the technical consulting side, and it was also my first experience of being in person. I got to see what the hybrid environment was like. I loved it. And one great thing about Domo, and great company, everything, but they also have free lunches every day. I loved it. Starving college student, it was like heaven. Loved it. And now today is my final day of junior year. I have my last final later today. Super nervous about it, so wish me luck, everybody. It's a calc final. So my engineers, please help me. But as I'm finishing up my junior year, getting ready to go into my senior year, there's still a lot of uncertainty in the world with layoffs and just the general economic outlook. There's an idea that I fear of first in, first out. If you're the first one hired out of college, you might just be the first one out. There's always that fear. But if there's anything that I learned from being in the pandemic is just to try everything, go for every opportunity, reach out to everybody, just do it all, and just try and see what sticks. Because at the end of the day, I think it'll work out. So thank you, everybody, for having me here today.